Hello everyone and good morning. We are here at, how do you pronounce it again? Rosh, Hanikra? Hanikra. I can barely say that. But this is the Mediterranean. I think it's the Upper Galilee area, if I'm not mistaken. We're going to be going to Akko today, or in English what I've seen it on a map is Akko, which is like, it's spelled acre. So we're going to go there today. But the sea is gorgeous. The waves, I don't even know if you can hear me, but they're hitting the rocks and it's like beautiful. So I'm very excited to be here. I think we're going to the grotto next, so I'll just keep you guys updated as we go. So just for the vlog, I don't know if you can see the buoys way over there, but that's actually the Lebanon border and this is Israel here. And then if we look out into the sea over here, that is a military ship. And then there's a bunch of troops and stuff hanging around here. Also on this side of this restaurant over here, I'll just zoom out, that's a military base right there. So we saw lots of troops walking around. So I wonder what these trees look like in when they're in bloom. I don't know. Yeah, it's nice and chill. There's not really that many people here. Doesn't feel like there's a lot of people. This centerpiece is really cool. These, I wonder what kind of flowers these are.
Don't know.
So we're just in the Baha Gardens, not the one in Haifa. This is the one that's very close to Akko, and this place is quite beautiful. There are flowers everywhere. Not all of them are in bloom yet, but we just went all the way back there, and I got a couple clips of like the whole area. All the hedges are trimmed like perfectly. And yeah, up front it's also very gorgeous, so yeah, this is a really cool place to go, so happy to share it with you. You can just see me in the background of the mirror. This looks like a cat with a sword. What is it? Is that a shoe?
It's a Crocs.
Oh my god.
Some kid probably got mad and kicked it.
Probably.
It's really children that don't listen so good. Wow. To całe szura się takie.
There's a lot of fish, yeah.
The whole road. Watch where you're standing.
Yes, I know. This is the trail that I'm standing on. And that is the way down. You guys, this is a crazy, crazy trail. What the heck? Oh my gosh. Okay, come with me. I'm gonna walk very carefully. Daniel's scared of heights, so he had to turn back around for a minute. Whoa. Okay, look guys. That's the way down. What is this place? We weren't even gonna come here. This is insane. Wow. I'm just trying to walk very carefully because I don't want to fall. Wait, are you allowed to go more that way? Oh my gosh. Wow. I'm fine. The cliff is right there. And on this side, you've got the Galilee Sea and Tiberias over there. There's a long way down. Hello everyone, and welcome to the end of this vlog. This is future me here. I'm just editing this vlog from Israel, and we ended up going first to Rosh, Hanikra, Akko, Sea of Galilee, and then Arbel Park at the very end there, which we hadn't been planning on doing. But I hope you guys like the style of like editing. When we were in Israel, I just took a lot of like clips of things, so I'm just putting music over top. Just because I still felt like kind of really awkward like filming myself like talking and stuff, so I hope this is okay. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I'm trying, I think what I'm gonna do with these vlogs, because I still have quite a few, like I've still got probably about like 3 more Israel vlogs, I'm thinking. I've got one, let me just check. Oops. I don't remember where we went. I don't remember. Hi, West. There's one first, and then there is Jerusalem, Bethlehem, and then 3 more days after where we had like Masada, there was like a salt cave, and something else. I can't remember, but when I get to it. So probably 3 more Israel vlogs. I think what I'm gonna do is upload, obviously one like tomorrow, that would be May 17th. Oh my gosh, Wes. May 17th, then one on Friday, and then one on the next Tuesday. 3 or 4 more Israel vlogs, I think. I don't remember. 3, 4? I'm not sure. Anyway, probably gonna do it that way because I want to get on with like the studio vlogs. I'm starting to film now for convention prep and stuff, so because I've got a convention coming up in July, which is really soon, and so yeah, and I also really want to start streaming soon, so hopefully that'll work out. I'm really worried about my internet speed because I live in Yellowknife, but anyway, I hope you guys really enjoyed this vlog. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you like this kind of content. If you're new here, I do just random life content. I'm also an artist on the side, so I do a lot of art videos as well. And it's just kind of me doing my own things, so I'm treating this YouTube channel kind of like a video diary in a way, so. But yeah, anyway, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!